Yo chat, what's good? Back with another video, and today it's a car video. What do we have? Ooh, straight into it. Got a Jeep Rubicon Gladiator 2025 June 2025, and today we're gonna be taking it off-road. So we just stopped at Rogers. We got Michael, we got Xavier in the whip. Yes sir. Corey's gonna come meet us over there. So yeah, do all the YouTube stuff. Let's get straight into the video. Alright, so a little bit about the whip skis. 3.6 liter V6, 285 horsepower, and it weighs 2,200 kg, and it's got loads of like special features and stuff. Fresh tires. How many miles it got? How many miles on the clock? 377 miles. That's probably the lowest mileage car I've ever driven and been in. But yeah, we've got the red accents. What do you guys think about this color? I really like this color. And then the interior, got the red accents matching the outside. Rubicon right there. Apple CarPlay. That's a really cool like mini thing. Fat crash bar at the front. And yeah, personally I think the car is a bit long, but yeah, enough talking. Let's get into the action. Let's go. All right guys, we arrived at some little like some dirt park. I'm about to get mad dusty because this boy is about to rip the John up. It's low-key hot today. Oh my god.
Yo, dit is jouw haar, bro.
Yo. Yo, it is low-key hot out today, yeah. Also filming for YouTube. I'm filming for my secret account. If you know, you know. Oh, this car's hot. It's high-key not meant for this. Jeep just forgot why they were making cars, and now they just make cars for the city. But the miles per gallon on this is terrible. It's like 20 in the city, which is terrible. Michael had 12 the other day.
Go grab the pliers.
Alright guys, it's a new day. Recording for the YouTube.
YouTube.
Right now we're going fishing. Young boy got his car back though. No more Jeep. And I gotta get pliers, bro. What are we doing, bro? What are we doing, bro?
Snip, snip.
Wow. That's going in. Because YouTube. Yep. Yo, why do the colors low-key look? Like, why are 2016 colors low-key coming back?
Huh?
We're
going on the LBX.
They're going on my light beat. Oh, 52 states. Which one is your favorite?
Yours is probably that one because it has a rainbow on it.
Yeah, that's not my favorite, buddy. Ready? Good? Alright.
Got a tire.
Mama Sota.
Yes. Now back on the bike.
I mean, I need to put the bike back.
Well, that's what I'm saying. Now the tire back on the bike.
This is 3 days in one video, low-key. Let's do it. We gonna ride right now. Let's do it. Y'all see the shirt? We out. Let's go. Guys, my bike is making some weird ass noise.
You hear that shit? I know you hear it. Like you said was my bike. Damn. Look, your shit's fucking rubbing. Look.
Am I cooked?
No.
That is so jumpable. All right, guys, there's a jump. Loki we gotta clear it all the way. Yo! You think more air from that one?
Yeah. That just looks
steeper.
And you got a better run up. It's more flat.
Yo! Still haven't cleared the road! How? Haha! No.
No.
I'm missing grooves, wait.
Holy shit.
What happened?
My belt is half gone.
What? Yeah, this grooves fell out. Fuck.
Alright guys, you guys won't see, but
2 days. Not even.
yep. My belt
for 1 night.
My belt has gone.
As soon as I fucking...
Well, it's half gone.
Or no,
so.
2 days. As
What
soon
happened?
as the last
know.
night I took that
Gonna see if I
out.
can ride home. You guys hear that sound? That's my belt.
I mean,
My belt didn't even fall off, it just slipped off. Yes, sir!
Are you recording? This is some good editing right here, huh?
Damn. Should we take my belt? It's on the cone.